Hi everyone, welcome to my drive and fail for October. This is me in the driving seat conducting some instructor training. My position is showing everyone that we're turning right. We can't signal yet because there's a side road and you shouldn't go past the white line until you can clear and get back in. But that's not the same thought as the van's having from behind.
That one and that one.
Yeah. The opposite.
Should see how far he came from at the back.
I can imagine.
And he's not the only one who's had that idea. This one's even worse.
Just wait till the extra set of lights.
Yeah. There's another one that's just done it as well. Oh, probably.
Everyone's impatient.
Quick reply affects your concentration and makes you less able to react to hazards. If you use a mobile phone while driving, you're 4 times more likely to crash. Think. Put your phone away.
On your radio, on Global Player.
Play Capital.
Good timing.
When cyclists jump red lights, this causes a lot of resentment from motorists. Not from me, but it does just in general, and this is because cyclists are unaccountable for their actions. If a motorist did this, they could get points and a big fine. I also totally get the difference in risk with a motorist doing this compared to a cyclist, but cyclists can still knock a pedestrian over. But the forgotten aspect of this poor road use is the effect that it would have and long-lasting effect it would have on the motorist if they killed this guy on a bike. Take pride in whatever you drive or ride, and do it properly.
What should we do now? So he's parking on that right side. Seriously. People are boss, aren't they? Nicely dealt with. Good job. It's stationary.
Yeah.
Can't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Even here,
No.
you might be talking about, are there any pedestrians who are going to be walking side to side?
Yeah.
What's this one likely to do? Go ahead?
Yeah.
Yeah? Too important to wait?
Yeah.
Spot them a mile off though, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Attitude.
Attitude, yeah. Attitude's everything as
Yeah.
well.
Attitude
Exactly
makes
right.
everything.
Absolutely. Do you see the difference there?
Yeah.
Slow. First gear. Good. Well sorted, Adam. Good man. No jokes about the thickness of his glasses either. Funny.
Should have went to Specsavers.
You should have gone to Specsavers. You're not wrong. What did I say before, funnily enough, about parents and schools? I said the parents are worse, and I said that literally only, 10 minutes or so ago, didn't I?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah. Good job. Just go super slow, mate. Just go super slow. Heat 2000 Limited. Doesn't understand what a one-way street is all about, does he? Straight at the roundabout, mate. This ability to pick up on these shows is one of the key skills that driving instructors have to have.
Yeah.
Are you aware,
So you're aware
of
of
your
everything.
pupil and your surroundings? Yeah?
Yeah.
White vans going through. He overtook past the open reach one. That's poor.
I can't quite work this clip out. I don't know whether it was a must get in front of the learner syndrome moment. I don't know whether it's I've got priority mentality, or this lady in the Fiesta behind was that unaware of her surroundings. Let me know what you think in the comments.
You stupid.
Whatever it was, she does seem to do it purposefully. Poor driving.
You putting your hand up to say what?
The driver of the Seat behind shows the driver in the last clip exactly how things should be done. This creates better flow. I know there's an extra lane in this clip, but even if there's not, either speed up a little or slow down a little to not drive right next to someone. I call it driving in a staggered formation, like we are doing now. Another clip showing some people are too important to wait.
Jesus.
This is a clip with another road user using the phone while waiting in a queue. But driving something of this size takes more responsibility.
Tractor driver on his phone. So the black one is close behind. The last thing that you need to do going into yours is rush.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to do things early. What should we do with the red car? Slow. Put a signal on now. Now, stop here, stop here, stop here, stop here. Good. Put it in first gear. Good. Creep us forward now. I'm not sure what the taxi is doing. Dip the clutch a little. Go a little bit further forward. Dip the clutch, slow it down with the brake and stop. Just beep your horn once. Stop. Good. Beep your horn again.
This is just lazy parking by the private hire driver. There are plenty of spaces, as we can see, a little touch further up the road. But now the Mercedes makes the situation a little worse. They have stopped exactly where the private hire was needing to clear.
Well done.
Oh, cute.
Alright, just sit. Is this one letting you go?
Yeah.
Creep then. Steer to your right. Big steer. Good. Dip the clutch down a little bit. Good. So, it was quite awkward.
Yeah.
Good. Slow.
Another clip and another phone user. This one was totally oblivious.
What's this one showing?
That is on his phone or waiting for someone. Doesn't actually know. Yeah, has the time.
Yeah. Sat on the phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Perfect. Change it. Wow.
The date's only the 15th of October, and already we're having fireworks thrown onto the road at vehicles. What if this was a cyclist? Another dog walker with a lack of attention and a long lead. Mobile phones and roads don't mix.
Yeah, silly woman with a dog on a long lead. Did you see that on the left?
The next couple of clips are from my lorry training. That was a late red.
That's a difficult turn, that, even in the car though, isn't it?
And after I park in on the left, watch the van that comes careering past. I suppose it makes a little bit of a change from the half a dozen people who parked behind me within 2 days of training when I was parking. Did you see my recent video about the 5 top skills people have problems with? This is a classic, number 5, not looking where you're steering, and it causes the cut of the corner.
So just be ahead of yourself.
Ahead. The lorry, look at the blue Jag. Is it a Jag? I think so. Is the blue Jag going to come round?
Probably. No.
Has he seen us?
He's holding back, he's seen us, yeah.
Therefore, if I slow now, that then tells them the wrong story, doesn't it?
Yeah, that they can go and you're not
Great
going to
stuff.
wait.
What have we done with the van?
Who's doing that?
Good.
But this one's personal.
Has this
so
fella seen us?
I don't think he's seen them. Console worker.
Alright, buddy, I'm looking after you.
Remember the clip earlier about the cyclist? After another red light jump, just listen to what my pupil talks about. This is how much it would affect people.
Well done, that's it. Really nicely dealt with, absolutely perfect. And that's why you always have a little look. There's always going to be. Go on.
Sorry, he's not my. The lads who was in my school got knocked off there like that for that, like doing that exact thing on his bike when I about 3 years ago.
It's honestly, it's some cyclists who think that shouldn't apply to them, and it does. How would it have affected you for the rest of your life if you'd have knocked him off and killed him there, Molly?
I wouldn't have carried on driving.
You wouldn't have.
No.
Exactly. So look out for them, because some of them are brain dead. Like motorists sometimes. Left turn please at the end.
Someone else who's too important to wait. You don't get a prize if you guess who it is.
So slow until you know. We don't know.
No.
We don't know. Good decision. The Audi decides to go for it anyway.
Some more impatience mixed with that lack of pride to do it correctly.
Is it James Page?
Yes.
He just said he walked out.
Gee, is that one going through? Is that one going through as well? Come on, carry on, mate. We're on green.
What's going on there?
Wow. Why was I saying to you for the movement? Why was I telling you to keep going, do you think?
And
Show them, yeah, our traffic is moving. Yeah, that's right.
This unfortunately is all too common, and I'm sure you've seen something similar. When someone does a pretty poor emerge at a roundabout, the other people from the side make it worse.
Who are we going to follow on after? She speeded up then to beat the horn. Did you see that?
Yeah. She'd just flown, it would have been.
Yeah.
Alright, he should have stopped.
He should have stopped. He shouldn't have gone there, but
she's gone.
People do that on purpose, don't they?
Yeah.
And it's quite sad that they do.
Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Keep safe, and I hope to see you soon.